You built this?
Yes, built this. It was my auntie's car from you,
Yep.
and it was left outside of the house to rot.
Wow, and now
I
you...
spent 15 years restoring it. It's got the genuine Expo motor in it, which didn't come out in the EH, it came out in the HD. Celica 5-speed gearbox, disc brake front end. Other than that, it's not an original prem, it was a special, but it's got the original prem trim in it.
Yep.
All done with leather.
Yep. Love the inside color.
Yeah, the ladies like it because of the colour, pink. But it's a BMW colour. We don't get the colour here, but PPG Paints, they gave me the formula, painted it.
Yeah, looks awesome. It's perfect for the show tonight.
And as
Love
you
it.
see by the sign,